Back in Cleveland. I can see Rocket Arena from here. Beautiful day here in Cleveland. Getting closer to Rocket Arena. All right, I'm technically in the arena now, kind of. The Cavs arena is connected to this strip mall. It's all decked out Cavs in here. Just got Larry Nance Jr.'s autograph right here. It is red, white, and blue Memorial Day theme here in Cleveland. Just got Dean Wade's autograph. He's a cool guy. All right, I met Jaden just like 20 minutes ago. He's got a hookup with the Cavs announcer, and they're letting us watch warm up just a little bit closer right here. Lick Andrews from ESPN right there. Jarrett Allen and Max Strus warming up. Up close and personal here.
Cavalier fans, everybody, welcome to the Bluff. Make some noise for your Cavaliers! And sacrifice. The other guard, he's from Louisville, number 45, Spider! Donovan Mitchell! Hey, you know what? I need the Cleveland Cavalier fans, the best fans in the world, to get out of your seat. Get out of your seat one time. Get a rally towel in their hand. Wave it in the air. It's time to take care of business. Only Cavs fans, make some noise.
Game 4 of the East Finals. The Knicks looking to sweep. The Cavs looking to stay alive. What a shot by Brunson. The Knicks win in a complete blowout by 37 points, sweep the Cavs. The Knicks are heading into the NBA Finals for the first time in the 21st century. I feel like I'm in New York City. There are so many New York Knicks fans here. It is wild. New York takeover. Already outside the arena, Cavs shirt I got at the game. Whatchamacall, my Memorial Day today. Flew in from San Antonio to Cleveland it was a lot of money, honestly. $430, that's Memorial Day flights for you, they're expensive as heck. And then caught the Cavs game. Whatchamacall, before the game they were like handing out free ice cream and free ice cream sandwiches and popsicles and stuff, so down some of that, get all the free food you can, watch the Cavs game, and then I'm gonna be taking public transit back to my I think it's $30-something a night Airbnb. Be calling it a night. Also on this trip so far, this is my third NBA playoff game in 3 days. Haven't had to pay anything for food. BYOF, bring your own food. And then gonna be flying back, where am I going next? I'm gonna think about it. Cleveland to layover for 8 hours in Denver, and then to Salt Lake, and then I'll head back home. And the flight, bought it using my flight miles, anything for balling. On my way home, I got an 8-hour flight layover in Denver, so I've left the airport and at Bluff Lake Nature Center, checking it out. Pretty cool here. It's incredible here. Love it. All right, if you look closely, look at all those groundhogs hanging out. There's more over yonder. Where are they? Sneaking around somewhere. Cool design right in here. Good stuff. Now back over by the water. It's like Captain Hook, walk the plank. This is the lookout spot right here. All right, it's been tons of fun here, but it's about time to take some trains back to the airport and start heading back home. So I left on this trip Friday night. It is now nearing Tuesday evening. I went out to eat one time. I splurged on Taco Bell once, $10 at Taco Bell. How I did it, BYOF, bring your own food, much cheaper to travel that way. All right, been tons of fun. I'm out. Till the next one.